Hi there, in this video, I will just give you a quick guide and a tutorial on how you can actually install QuickBooks Desktop so you can set up your accounting software on your PC. So first, you will have to go to QuickBooks.com, downloads that QuickBooks.com, this exact link right here, and then what you will have to do is fill up all of this, select the country that you are in. Let's say you're in United States, so go ahead and click that and then select the product that you prefer of QuickBooks, which is you can either pick from Desktop Pro, Desktop Premier, or whatever that you actually, whatever device that you actually have. If you do have Mac, then go ahead and click that. If you do have um, whatever that you prefer, you can actually just pick from this list right here. So let's say I want QuickBooks Desktop Pro, then I'm gonna click that. And the version, if you prefer the latest version, then go ahead and click 2024 version. And now you will just have to click this search button right here and just wait for it to load. And what you will do now is just download your product, and then you will install it by locating the download setup file on your computer once you've already downloaded it. And then you will just have to launch you will just have to launch the setup and then keep your license and product code handy. And then yeah, you will just have to follow detailed steps in the setup. And yeah, so that's just basically it, and you're all set. And if you found this video helpful, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have a good day.